or this morning, and we're going to be pulling into Union Grove Raceway. We'll try and get some action for you. We'll make sure that we get the important folks, like our friends, and we'll cut you back on when we get there.
Based out of Michigan at Steve Morris Racing Engines, he ran 690 at 205 miles an hour yesterday. That currently has him in the number 2 spot behind Brian Goldstone at Ultimate Iron. Inside the 55 Chevy out of Arkansas. Had trouble day one, but she remixed for looking like that 6 is gonna be.
Alex Taylor is 6.725. Steve Morris 10.078 at 97. Alex Taylor 215 miles an hour.
That's all metal. Nick should be about a 730 again, and he improves by 100. 733.
733, 192. Six 661, 219.
He'll line up against Bill Schwartz. Schwartz running in the heavy metal class, the 69 model Chevelle.
Fun fact for you, Bill Schwartz is my brother's neighbor.
Actually blew his engine up.
Schwartz at 8.53, 156, and a 9.06, 159 in the right lane. See that Calvin run? A good run, 887, 158 in the right lane.
Hey, listen, I'm just trying to help racers out and get a better.
Doesn't like it.
Fortunately for Steve, he once again
Doesn't like it.
will not get 71.
Still ran at 1092 at 85 miles an hour. Here we are, middle of the action. We got vendors all around. Back here in the pits. Truck over here, they're running A and B class radials right now, I believe. It's an absolute party at this place today. Rich Damon, the professor over here.
Here I am.
We're just out for a walk, checking everything out, looking at the cars. I think got a bunch of the heavy hitters coming through. I think the D group is last, and that's most of the guys that we came with are in the D group. And we've got a 217-mile drive today. 3 checkpoints. Last checkpoint of the day, I think, is Motion Raceworks in DeWitt, which is actually where me and the professor grew up.
That's fact.
So we're gonna hit that up, do some burnouts, and should be a good day. Sticker tag Del Toro last year. Alex Taylor over here, Blythe. Absolutely beautiful. Dodge Dart Swinger. Doug Cook over here.
Yeah, we drove. We went home last night.
Professor's over here singing
Shania Twain.
Shania Twang. Walk over here to the fellas and see how everybody's doing today. Jaren's car, Tyler's truck. It's a nice set of twins he's got there.
Bobsy twins. Very exciting. Yeah, and I'll let you know when. I'll make sure.
I don't know where Jim went. The old wagon. This thing's a beast. They just called D-Class. Here we go. They've got, look at them pulling out. Like 3/4 of the track is D group, so they are all going to be rolling up. The old wagon. Jaren goes 13:06, 104. It's a good run. Not bad, Jaren. Good job. Here he comes in the majestic mahogany.
All smile.
Where if you're old enough to understand what I'm about to say, this is the kind of cross
1966 Bonneville. Watch how fast this thing is.
That thing is going to clip a mid 11-second time slip, ladies and gentlemen.
11:45, 119 miles per hour for a 4-door Bonneville. That thing is impressive.
80 miles an hour.
Mr. Sparks runs 12:34 at 108. It's a good run.
12:34, 1, 2, 3, 4, 108 miles.
Oh, this will be fun. Tyler and Jim racing each other here. Jim in the right lane, Tyler in the left. See if these boys crank them up. Jim in the right lane, 11:54 at 119. Tyler 16.2 at 88. Something happened out of the line.
Yeah, Tyler too.
Yeah, my fault. We all thought that was Tyler. This is Tyler. There's a twin.
For Jim, though. Yeah.
Here he goes. Oh, he red lighted.
He did?
Maybe not. 1282 at 112. Here's Jim.